I believe we all know that for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, which is 1 year. And that is for those that are posting long form videos. And if you are posting short, you want to monetize your channel through short, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views on your short videos in the last 90 days, which is 3 months. And most people prefer to go for the 365 days, which is for the long form content. That's 4,000 watch hours. And we all think it is easier for you to reach that because the time frame they gave us, it's longer, 1 year compared to the 90 days. I believe most people really want to know how many views exactly do we need to get these 4,000 watch hours. How many people need to watch our videos for us to reach these 4,000 watch hours? And that is why I'm doing this video today. I'll be breaking it down for you. Please, all I want you to do is this: just listen attentively. You'll be able to understand it. You understand? So guys, I'm going to start with, I actually did my calculation here, so I'm going to start with the 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours is equal to 240,000 minutes. 240,000 minutes. You remember that we said 60 seconds make 1 minute. That is to say 4,000 watch hours is equal to 240,000 minutes. I posted a video of 4 minutes, for example. So that video, I was able to get 240,000 views from that video. And for that 240,000 views, they watched my video for 1 minute each. I'm just giving you an example. They watched my video for 1 minute each. And if 240,000 people watch my video for 1 minute each, that is to say I've already reached my 4,000 watch hours. That is what it means. 240,000 minutes might look like a lot for some people. So I'll still break it down to the second part, which is 120,000 minutes. If 120,000 people watch your YouTube video for 2 minutes each, you will get your 4,000 watch hour. Let's say I posted a video of 5 minutes long, and from that video 120,000 people watched my video for 2 minutes each. Out of that 5 minutes, they only watched it for 2 minutes, and the total number of views I have for that video is 120,000 views. So I will actually get my 4,000 watch hour, because if you multiply 2 by 120, you will get 240, which is equal to 4,000 hours. I hope somebody is understanding what I'm saying. Now, I'm just giving you the breakdown. That is not to say 120,000 people must watch your videos, because some people watch your video more, some people watch it less. Do you understand? I can watch a video now for that full minute, 5 minutes, and somebody else is coming to watch it for 4 minutes. Somebody else is coming to watch it for 3 minutes. So YouTube will be calculating it. I'm just giving you a general breakdown. That is to say, if everybody watch that video for 2 minutes each, you will get your watch hour. So that is what I'm saying. So 120,000 views might look like a lot for some people, because for videos to go viral on YouTube, me and you and I know that it is not funny, it is not easy. So I know that is why most people pray that their video go viral, because when your video go viral, if you are not monetized, just know that that video that went viral will make you get monetized, will get you monetized. So that is one thing about getting a viral video. Now let me break it down again for you guys. If you have 80,000 views on a video, let's say you did a video of 7 minutes, and out of that 7 minutes, people only watch that video for 3 minutes. The audience retention for that video is 3 minutes, and then they watch it for 3 minutes, and you were able to get 80,000 views on that particular video, and the audience retention for that video is 3 minutes. You will get your 4,000 watch hours. If you post a video that is very interesting and people are enjoying, people are watching it, and that video happens to go viral, let's say you were able to get 80,000 views from that video, or 90,000 views, and people watch that video for over 3 minutes, or 3 minutes exactly, just know that your monetization is very close. It's very, very close. So that is how it works. Now 80,000 might look like a lot for some people. I will still break it down again to 60,000 views. Let's say you did a video, and that particular video was 8 minutes long, and then In that particular video, 60,000 people watched your video. You were able to get 60,000 views for that video. For that number of people that watched that video, they watched it for 4 minutes. That is, the audience retention for that video was 4 minutes. The video was so interesting and they watched it for 4 minutes each. Guy, you are already monetized because your 4,000 watch hour will be complete. So that is how it works. That is the logic behind all this. So the more you get views, the more people watch your videos, the more you are close to monetization. So that is how it works. So I will still break it down again to 48,000 minutes, 48,000 views. Let's say you posted a video of 10 minutes long and then 48,000 people watched that video for 5 minutes each. Do you understand the logic? 48,000 people watch that video for 5 minutes each. You are so close to getting monetized. Let's say the audience retention for that video was very high, that they watched it, they enjoyed it for 5 good minutes. For the last one I'll be talking about today is if 40,000 people watch your YouTube video for 6 minutes each, you posted a video of 15 minutes and the audience retention for that video is 6 minutes. You understand? 6 minutes. They watched that video, they enjoyed it, and they watched it for 6 minutes. You are very close to getting monetized because if you multiply 40,000 views times 6, it will give you 240,000, like that. So that is why it works. The more the views, the more the audience retention. So that is why you don't just pray that, oh God, I need views, I need views. When you also pray that it's not just about people clicking on my video, it's about people watching my video. Let them enjoy it. That is why before you post a YouTube video, you should make sure that your video is interesting. Your video is something people want to watch, like they want to learn. It's not something they will click in and they will click out. Don't post that kind of video. Make sure that at the beginning of your video there is an hook, something that will make them want to see more, they want to know more. So that is it. That is the logic about it. I hope you understood this breakdown that I just did. If you don't understand it, let me know on the comment section so that I will come and explain to you again. So guys, that is all for this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Subscription is totally free. You don't need to pay money for it. It is free. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, don't forget to on the notification bell so that when next I post a video, you will be the first person to get notified. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.